In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoho Books account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to online accounting solutions or looking for a robust platform for managing your business finances, Zoho Books offers a powerful suite of tools. Let's walk through the process together, and by the end, you'll have a new account ready to use. First, we'll start by heading over to the Zoho Books website. You can easily find it by searching for Zoho Books in your preferred search engine or by typing zoho.com/books directly into your browser's address bar. Once you arrive on the site, take a moment to look around. You'll notice that Zoho Books markets itself as a comprehensive accounting platform tailored for businesses like yours. Now let's begin the sign up process by clicking on the Sign Up Now button. It's prominently displayed on the homepage, so it should be easy to locate. After clicking it, you'll be redirected to the sign up page. On the sign up page, you'll notice several options for creating your account. For simplicity and ease, we're going to focus on signing up using Google. This method is not only quick but also secure, as it allows you to leverage your existing Google credentials without the need to create a new password. So go ahead and click on the Sign Up Using Google button. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your email and password as you would normally. Once signed in, you'll see a screen that asks for your permission to continue. This is simply part of Google's authentication process, allowing Zoho to securely access your basic account information. Click on Continue to proceed. Don't worry, Zoho Books only requests necessary information to set up your account securely. Now that you've granted access, it's time to add a few personal details to personalize your Zoho Books account. You'll likely be asked for basic information such as your name, company name, and perhaps some additional details about your business. This step ensures that your Zoho Books account is tailored to your specific needs, helping you streamline financial processes right from the get-go. After entering your details, the next step is to officially create your account. Go ahead and hit the Create Account button once you're satisfied that everything looks correct. The click of this button is essentially the finalization of your registration, and your profile will now be activated in Zoho Books. This means you're ready to start taking advantage of everything the platform has to offer. With your account all set up, you're now greeted with a Get Started button. This button is your gateway to exploring and configuring your Zoho Books account to suit your business needs. Upon clicking it, you'll land on the dashboard, which serves as your command center for managing all your accounting tasks. Depending on your country and preferences, Zoho Books might prompt you to walk through a quick setup wizard. This can be incredibly beneficial as it seamlessly guides you through configuring essential features like currency, tax settings, and more. Before diving in completely, I recommend taking a bit of time to familiarize yourself with the interface. Navigate through the various sections such as invoices, expenses, banking, and reports. Each feature within Zoho Books is designed to help you manage your finances efficiently, so understanding where everything is located will go a long way in optimizing your accounting process. Finally, you may also want to explore the integrations available within Zoho Books. If you're using other Zoho apps or external applications such as payment gateways, syncing them with Zoho Books can significantly boost your productivity and ensure all your business tools work harmoniously together. And there you have it. In just a few moments, you've successfully set up a Zoho Books account. You're now ready to centralize your business finances, gain insightful reports, and streamline operations with ease. As you explore all the features Zoho Books has to offer, you'll find that it's an incredibly robust platform tailored for modern businesses. Thanks for joining me today, and happy accounting with Zoho Books. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips and tricks.